Hi everyone, welcome back to COC channel. Today we're making this adorable chubby little sheep. Crumple some paper or cardstock into a ball about 5 centimeters, 2 inches, in diameter. Fold a white pipe cleaner in half, then cut it at the fold. Roll it into a flat circle. Make another flat circle and glue it on top. These will become the sheep's cheeks. Roll another white pipe cleaner into a circle. Glue it in place like this. Keep wrapping until the entire surface is covered. Add another pipe cleaner if needed and keep wrapping. Apply hot glue as you go to secure everything. It should look like this. Lightly singe the fibers with a lighter. Wrap a pink pipe cleaner around a metal rod or pen. Slide it off and gently stretch it. Make a total of 8 spiral pieces. Roll each one into a flat spiral. Glue them onto the back of the head. Roll the remaining spiral into a round ball. Add another pipe cleaner if needed. Glue the section closest to the face first. Then keep filling the rest with pipe cleaner. This is what it should look like when finished. Fold the pipe cleaner in half, then into thirds and fourths to make the legs. Make 4 legs, then wrap them. Wrap 1 layer for the arms. Wrap about 2.5 layers for the legs. Use more white pipe cleaner to make the sheep's ears. Make 2 ears. Cut a brown pipe cleaner to about 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch. Roll it into a sheep horn. Keep the base thicker and the tip thinner. Now the horns are ready. Lightly heat the horns, ears, arms, and legs. Lightly heat some black and pink pipe cleaners as well. Cut a 0.7 to 0.8 centimeters piece to make the mouth. Cut a 0.5 centimeters piece for the nose. Glue the nose into place. Cut 4 0.5 centimeters pink pieces for the cheeks. Attach the eyes. Glue all the pieces you've made together. Bend the ears slightly. Trim off the excess on the back. Then glue the ears in place. Attach the legs. Add a little blush. You can skip this if you prefer. Attach the keychain ring. And that's it. Your adorable chubby sheep keychain is finished.